Hello AWR family. This video is especially made for new beginners who don't know how to invest into AWR. First, what you are going to do is go on your web browser and type Phantom. Now you are going to first link phantom.com. Phantom.com. You are going to download it for any web browser you are using. I will download it now for Edge. Okay, when you download it, now you are going to fetch. Okay, you are going to add extension. Now when it gets downloaded, now you are going on this puzzle and click attach. Now your Phantom will be attached on your searching track, next to your searching track. Now you are going to create a new wallet. Don't create it with mail. Create it especially with seed phrase wallet, because you want to be secured and have your 12 words. When you are making it with email, it will be more easy for hackers to hack it, because they won't need 12 words. Okay, now create your password. Okay, when you typed in your password, click I agree and then continue. Now you are going to get your recovery phrase. This is important. Write it on the paper and store your paper on the safe place, and don't tell anyone your seed phrase. When you write it down, now click I said my recovery phrase and then continue. Type your username. It will be test975. Okay, continue. And this is a bug. Okay. Now you go here, type your password. Okay, when you enter the Phantom wallet, your balance will be 0. The first step for depositing money is to click buy. Then it will ask you which currency you want to deposit. You are going to click Solana. Which amount you want. I am going to deposit $50. Okay, you choose credit and debit card, and automatically it will be Topper, and I am going to do it with Stripe because it's the easier process. Okay, then you click buy when you switch from Topper to Stripe. Now there will be Stripe. Okay, buy. It will bring you on side of Stripe. Then I'm going to change from dollar to euro and click continue. Okay, when you click continue, this is my email, Loran. Login. Okay, I am verified. This is my wallet. Yes, use this wallet. Okay, my card is automatically set it up because I already am using this. After you type in all your card details, you are going on review order. Review order. Okay, this is pay, and then it will ask me for my QR code acceptance. Okay, Okay, I typed in my digital code. Okay, it will, when you type in your digit code, it will says the price of Sol is updated, then just accept and pay, because automatically it is updating. Okay, accept and pay, and it will take some time for Solana to came on my Phantom. Then you go return to Phantom. Okay, you click here. Now the Solana is still not here. I will wait a bit. Okay, after a few minutes, Solana arrived to my balance. Now the third step is how to switch Solana to AWR. Okay, when your money is visible on your Phantom wallet, first what you need to do is go on allwillretire.com site, because on this site you have everything. What is AWR about, how high market cap is, how many holders it has. You can also listen to some music, and then you can go down. You can learn a little about it because site is looking damn good. Okay, you can go down and you have copy token address, AWR token information, and you just copy the address. Okay, copy token address. Go back to your Phantom wallet, then click on Solana, click swap. Change this because you want to switch from swap from Solana to, then you go here, paste AWR, all will retire, click here. The safest way is this one. Okay, and you never want to swap a maximum of Solana. Always leave, let's say, 0.002 of your Solana. Okay, this is good. Because you need to leave it because of gas fees, because Solana have a gas fee, which is a really small fee, let's say less than a cent. You are paying it for sending or using cryptocurrencies, and you are using it to confirm your transactions on the network. And then you click swap now. And when it says it's done, you know you become a holder of AWR. Okay, this is first way how to do it instantly on Phantom wallet. In the second video, I will explain how to do it through Jupiter Exchange. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and see you in another video. Bye.